Okay, there seems to be some confusion on how many videos you can post where now. So let's see if this graphic can set us straight. Let's say it's Monday. You post a video. You got a video you made. It's a great one, I bet. Oh, geez, hilarious. And then you post it to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Twitter, whatever you call it. LinkedIn. You take the links from all 6 of these and you put them into this form over here. You're gonna have to fill that form out 6 times, 6 different links. That's 6 chances to win. Okay? One video, you put it on all these social medias, put the link in there, 6 chances to win. Okay. Right now, all of a sudden, it's Tuesday. You make another video. You got a great idea. You make another video, great explainer video, whatever you want to do. You post it to all 6 of these social medias. You put the link into the form for each one, 6 different times. Now 6 plus 6, now you got 12 chances to win. See where we're going? Now it's Wednesday. You make another video. Holy cow, it's a great one. You post it to all 6 of these social medias. You put it in the form, one by one, a link for each one. 6 more chances, that's 18 chances to win. And you know, maybe you gotta take a couple days off. You're worn out, you know. We all get that way. So now, it's, I don't know, 2 weeks later, you have a great idea. You make another video. You post it to all 6 of these social medias. You put all 6 in the form, one by one. And now you got 24 chances to win. And you can do that on and on and on, as many times as you want. Okay, 4 different videos, 6 social medias, 24 chances to win. You do that as many times as you like. Okay? Hopefully that helps. Thanks so much. Good luck, everyone. Dreamy Awards 2025. Good luck.